All too often, our passion for novelty is fleeting. We see something, want it, but the moment passes, and with it the desire, unless it's a piece that speaks to our souls. Hanse J. Wegner designed the CH25 in 1950, a time of new ideas, among them Wegner's vision of crafting furniture using woven paper cord, considered a substitute material during the war. Tactile and beautiful in its everydayness, the chair's joinery and construction are essential elements of this enduring symbol of comfort, style, and craftsmanship. Craftsmen carefully rasp the edges so that the paper cord is elevated just slightly above the surrounding wood surfaces, ensuring that the paper cord does not fray over time. Modest yet distinctive, it takes an artisan around 10 hours to weave the chair's seat and back. Using approximately 400 meters of hand-woven paper cord. The back is hand-woven on both sides. The CH25 is available in oak, in a range of finishes, with a seat and back in either natural or black paper cord. Surround yourself only with things you love.